तो ये ओवरसीज डिप्लॉयमेंट में यू मेंशन टू यू मस्ट हैव स्लेड इन मलक्का स्ट्रेट एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? स्ट्रेट ऑफ मलक्का
फर्स्ट टाइम
फर्स्ट टाइम मलक्का स्ट्रेट देखा होगा तूने. सो यू सॉ द एंटायर ईस्टर्न थिएटर की द passages that lead to South China Sea
and you cross that equator and you have that ceremony of drinking that water. Amazing experience.
और सीओ का भी कुछ होता है, सीओ के साथ भी कुछ करते हैं जब इक्वेटर क्रॉस करता है जहाज तो.
It was not done.
अच्छा, तो जहाज पे नहीं होता. ओके, मे बी. So anything interesting? I think I believe you have some interesting stories to share while coming back from one of the OSDs, I think.
Yeah.
What happened?
So I think I have never told this before, not even to my wife also. So when we were coming back from Indonesia, we had a small incident. There was one suspicious boat, and we were trying to coordinate with him and speak to him ki, what exactly things are, but he was not responding to any of our signals, not even the Morse codes, not to our communication system. So then we encountered that something is wrong there. Announcement was done that boarding team to muster, and rest of the things were briefed to us that what is to be done. That was the first time I came to know that what boarding operations and what boarding things are to be done. So I was briefed by my XO that you'll have to go and chase that ship, and you'll get a command, open fire, then only you will open fire, otherwise you will not open fire. So it's a wonderful experience. We went, we chased the boat. It was around 5:15 in the evening, nearing to the sunset. We lowered our ribs and we started chasing that boat. This guy was very smart. He switched off his light because he knew कि sunset होने वाला है. Light बंद कर दो, किसी को कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. Because there was a lot of swill, and swill के अंदर rib, obviously we were not able to take a particular aim, and we were also not able to clearly see that boat. But we tried our best. We chased him for a good 20-30 minutes. But then we were going out of the Motorola range with our headquarters, that is the bridge commanding officer. So after some time he told us that Manish, you come back because we are going out of the range, and otherwise you will be lost in the sea. So we had to come back. When we came back, we sat and then we discussed what was it. It was one of the encounters, I can say, one of the experiences which we have done during the
या वैसे तो हम लोग बहुत बड़ा बोर वाला चीज फायर करते हैं ना, 100 mm AK-100.
वो तो कर दिया तो फिर तो what is going to happen.
Yeah, but we also play with 5.56 mm and
yes,
these days 7.62 also
and
in
the
certain
carbine
cases, and carbine also. So but yeah, I mean that's really interesting है ना. At sea अगर live boarding operations में हो तुम एकदम, this is like non-compliant, only Marcos do it, but you have also done it, so that's very unique, right?
Yes.